Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So, be in your home and be safe, okay? So, in our previous English class, we have completed a poem, is it? The Block City. Am I right? So, have you completed the notes? Okay, so those who haven't completed your notes, complete it fast, okay? So, don't keep any pending works, complete it fast, okay? So in today's class, what we are going to do means we are going to see a topic from your grammar book. Okay. So from your grammar book, we have completed 3 lessons, is it? So do you remember that? Or else have you forgotten that? So we have completed parts of speech, nouns, and also nouns possession. Okay. So we have completed 3 lessons, is it? And today in this class we are going to start the 4th lesson. Okay, so this topic is very familiar to you only. Already you might have studied in your previous classes. Okay, so this is a very simple topic only. Okay, so today we are going to see what is that. Okay, so the topic is pronoun. Okay, so pronouns, do you know what is pronouns? Have you heard this word pronouns anywhere? Yeah, while we studied that first lesson, parts of speech, in that we have seen, is it noun, pronoun? Do you remember that? Okay. So do you know what is a pronoun? Do you know what is a noun? Yeah, noun is a naming word, is it? Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. Am I right? So do you know what is a pronoun? Noun, pronoun. Pro plus noun, pronoun, is it? So do you know what is pronoun? Okay. So pronoun is used in the place of noun. Okay. A word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay. So pronoun, this word is used in the place of noun. Okay. Instead of noun, we will use this pronoun. Okay. So I, she, you, it, we, he, they. These all are pronoun. Okay. So I, she, you, he, we, it, they. These all are pronouns. Okay. So have you understood what is a pronoun? Okay. So just we will use this pronoun to replace a noun. Instead of, in the place of noun, we will use this pronoun. Okay. So noun means we know that it's the name of a person or a place or a thing, is it? So when it comes to pronoun, what we will do? In the place of that person, we will put he or she. Okay, have you understood? So pronoun is used instead of noun. Okay, pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Okay, have you understood what is pronoun? Okay, so now we can see the types of pronoun. Okay, so in your book some types are given: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Okay, so you might have studied 1 or 2 types only. I think you might haven't studied these all types. Okay, so what are all the types? Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. These are all the types of pronoun. It's given in your book in this lesson. Okay, so we are going to study about this one by one in this class. Okay, just simply I will say what are they. Okay, so personal pronoun means a pronoun that is used in the name of a person. Okay, the place of for example Ramu, in that place we will use he. So that is personal pronoun. Okay, so possessive pronoun means that show possession. Okay, ownership. Already I have taught you what is possessive. in the previous lesson, the third lesson. Nouns, possession. In that lesson, I have taught you what is possessive, is it? So, possessive pronoun means the pronoun that show possession, okay, ownership or relationship, okay. And then demonstrative pronoun means, demonstrative means we will be showing the object and we will be demonstrating about that, is it? To, it is used to point out a specific person or a thing, okay, demonstrative pronoun. And interrogative means, you know what is that, question, is it? So interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions or introduces a question, okay. Then relative pronoun means, relative pronoun relative pronoun refers to a noun which join two pronouns, okay. So relative means it helps to join two pronouns, okay. Sorry, it helps to join two sentences, okay. So relative pronoun helps to join two sentences. Example, who, whom, whose, which, that, these all comes under relative pronouns, okay. And then reflexive pronoun means reflexive. What is reflex? When we are standing in front of the mirror, we can see the reflex of our image, is it? We can see our image, is it? So that is reflexive, okay. So reflexive pronoun means the pronoun that refers the subject itself, okay. The pronoun will be coming in the middle of the sentence, but it refers the subject, okay. It refers back the subject, it reflects the subjects, okay. Have you understood? And then indefinitive pronoun, okay. Indefinitive pronoun means it refers to persons, and in this we won't say the particular thing or particular person. We will say someone, somebody, something, okay. Have you understood? I am searching for something here. We won't say what is that particular object, but we will say I am searching for something here. So that comes under indefinite pronoun, okay. So just a small thing about this I have told you, and we can see it briefly, okay. So these are all the types of pronouns, okay. What are they? Personal pronouns, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and indefinite pronoun, okay. Have you understood this? So first one is personal pronoun, okay. So already I have told you personal pronoun, we will be writing the personal pronoun in the place of a person or a thing, okay. Personal pronoun stands in the place of a person or a thing, okay. So personal pronouns are he, she, it, we, I, you, they, okay. So these are all personal pronouns, okay. I, you, they, we, it, he, she are all personal pronouns, okay. So for example, he invented the telephone. Instead of that name, instead of writing the name of that person, we will write he invented the telephone, okay. That comes under personal pronoun, okay. Have you understood? Personal pronoun means the pronouns which we write in the place of a person or a thing, okay. Have you understood what is personal pronoun now? Okay. Then possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means already I have told you, it shows the ownership, okay. Ownership or relationship. A pronoun that is used to indicate the possession. Possession means, possess means that we have, okay. The thing that we have, that we possess, okay. Ownership, okay. This pen is my pen. For that what you will write? This is mine. This pen is mine, okay. So have you understood? Mine, these things comes under possessive pronoun, okay. It's mine, we will say, is it? When we are fighting with our brothers or sisters, what we will do? Don't take my toy, it's mine, we will say, because the toy belongs to us. We are the owner of the toy, okay. So have you understood what is possessive pronoun, okay. Then next one is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so demonstrative pronoun, already I have told you, demonstrative pronoun is used to point out a specific person, place, thing or idea. Okay, so for example, those, that, these, this. So see here, in this picture apples are given, is it? So we are demonstrating that particular thing. Okay, so these are apples, those are apple. Okay, have you understood? So we are showing the particular, we are pointing out the particular thing and we are saying. Okay, have you understood? This is my pen. This, we are pointing out that particular pen. Okay, this is my pen. Okay, so demonstrative pronoun, it is used to point out a particular person, place, thing or idea. Okay, for that we will use this, that, these and those. Okay, so have you understood what is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun? Now we can move to interrogative pronoun. Okay, so interrogative pronoun, interrogative means itself, you know, is it? Already you might have studied interrogative sentence. So interrogative means question, is it? So interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Okay, so we will use this interrogative pronouns for asking questions. Okay, so WH questions, whose, which, who, whom, what. These are the words which are used for forming interrogative pronouns. Okay, so who was Graham Bell? Okay, so this is used for about asking information about something. Okay, so already we know that for these questions are used for asking information. Yeah. Questions are used for getting information. Okay, so if you want to know about a person, what we will do? Who are you? We will ask, is it? What's your name? Am I right? Where are you from? So we will ask such questions to a particular person to know about them. Is it? So this interrogative pronoun, it is used to ask question. Okay, so who, whose, which, whom, what are the words which are used for asking questions in this interrogative pronoun. Okay, and then we are going to see the form of personal pronoun. Okay, already we have seen that what is personal pronoun, is it? So we will use this personal pronoun in the place of a person or a thing. Am I right? And we have three forms of personal pronoun. Okay, that is first person, second person and third person. Okay, so first person, second person and third person. In this three also we have singular and plural. Okay, so see, in the first column singular, what is singular, and the first three boxes comes under singular and the second three boxes comes under plural. Okay, so in the second column it is given first person, second person, third person. So see here, I, me and in plural we, us in first person. Okay, in first person see both in singular and plural. In singular I, me and in plural we, us. Okay, this is used to refer the speaker. Okay, the first person is used to refer the speaker. Okay, first person means I, me, we, us. These all comes under first person. Okay, so this first person is used to refer the speaker, and I, me comes under singular and we, us comes under plural. Okay, and the second person is used to refer to the person to whom we are speaking. Okay, so you, if I am speaking to a person, what I will say, do you know that? I will call the person as you, is it? Because we two are standing and we are speaking. I am the speaker and he will be the listener, is it? Second person. Am I right? We will be talking about some other person. That is the third person. Okay. So second person refers to the person to whom we are speaking. Okay. So second person is you only in singular, and in plural both we will say you only. Okay. So masculine gender also we will say you, in feminine gender also we will say you. Okay, have you understood this? And then third person, it already have told you, when two persons are standing there and speaking, one will be the speaker, first person, and the person who is listening to that will be the second person, and about whom we are talking will be the third person. Okay, so third person refers to the person about whom we are talking. Okay, so in this, he, she, it, him, her, they, them, these all comes under third person. Okay, and he, she, him, her, these all are masculine and feminine gender, and then it is neutral gender. Okay, he, him, she, her, they, them, these all comes under masculine gender and feminine gender. Okay, and it comes under neutral gender. Okay, so have you understood the forms of personal pronoun? There are three forms: first person, second person, and third person. First person refers to the speaker, and the second person refers to the person to whom we are speaking, and the third person refers to the person about whom we are speaking. Okay, and in this three also we have singular and plural. So have you understood this? Plural means many, singular means one. Is it? Okay. So the next one is reflexive pronoun. Okay. So already I have told you what is reflexive, is it? When we are standing in front of a mirror, we can see our own image, the reflection of our image. Is it? When we are seeing the water, we can see the reflection of our face there. Am I right? So the reflexive pronoun means the pronoun will be in somewhere in middle of the sentence, and it reflects the subject itself. Okay, so myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, these all comes under reflexive pronoun. Okay, see here example: we checked ourselves for lice. Okay, in this we is pronoun, is it, and ourself is reflexive pronoun. We is the subject and ourself is the reflexive pronoun. See, we checked ourselves, so ourselves is reflecting that subject. Okay, and then while calling on the gods, a man should himself lend a hand. Okay, a man is the subject here, himself is the reflex pronoun. Himself represents this man. Okay, it is reflecting the man. Okay, so have you understood what is reflexive pronoun? Okay, and the next one is relative pronoun. Okay, relative, already I have told you, relative pronoun is used to join the sentence. Okay, so relative pronoun, it is used to join the sentence, and they are used to refer back a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay, in the first while writing about a person, what we will write? The first line we will write the name, is it? Am I right? And in the next we will write in the next sentence, while we are mentioning about that person, we will write he, she, or it. Am I right? Okay, so in this reflect the words such as who, whom, whose, which, that, it is used for this relative pronoun. Okay, so relative pronoun, it refer back to a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, and also it is used to join sentences. Okay, have you understood? So for example, there is an example in your book that the woman is a doctor. She writes stories for the children. Okay, this is the simple sentence what we will write, is it? Am I right? The woman is a doctor, full stop. when we are writing in the next sentence, we won't say that the women write. We will say she writes stories for little children. Okay. So in relative pronoun, when we are saying that, what we will say, the woman who writes stories for little children is a doctor. Okay, so we are joining two sentences here, is it? With the help of the word who, we are joining two sentences here. The woman who writes stories for little children is a doctor. Okay, but in the previous sentence, what we have written there, the woman is a doctor, full stop, she writes stories for little children. Two sentences there, is it? But by adding the letter who, by adding the word who, we are joining these two sentences into one sentence. Okay, the woman who writes stories for little children is a doctor. Okay, and then the next one is indefinite pronoun. Okay, so indefinite pronoun means, already I have told you, we won't say about the particular person's name or thing. We will say someone, somebody, without saying the name, without saying who is that, exactly who is that or what object is that, we will say. Okay, so I have eaten everything in my fridge. Okay, so she is not saying what are all the things that what are all the things was in that fridge, but she is saying that I have eaten everything in my fridge. Okay, she is not saying the things particularly, but she is saying everything. Means we can understand that the fruits will be there, or sometimes some cakes or something sweets will be there. So we don't know what she ate, but she is saying I have eaten everything in my fridge. Okay, and see, I have nothing for breakfast. She is not saying the particular thing, she is saying I have nothing for breakfast. Okay, so have you understood this? What is indefinite pronoun? Okay, so in this we have seen about what is pronoun and also some types of pronoun, is it? Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and also indefinite pronoun. Okay, so have you understood this? Okay, I hope you all have understood this. Thank you, students.